Hello CSUSM student. I want to show you how to get to our online workshops via Microsoft Teams. So one nice way to do it is if you go to our website, STEM Success Center, and go to Workshops. You'll see in Workshops we have a list of which workshop and what dates. So what we're going to do is click Join the Webinar here. That's going to take you to our Microsoft Teams page. So in our Microsoft Teams page, you can see the workshop going on. It will have the title for the class that's going on. So the way that our workshops work is it is going to be interactive. So we're going to do a game or something via Kahoot, and it'll be an opportunity to practice material. And we'll leave some time for questions at the end. If you have any questions, reach out to us at stemsc@csusm.edu. Thank you. Bye.